Royal was founded on a dream to design and build the best cooking equipment possible. Upgrade your kitchen today with Royal products so you can put more time into what makes up your dream menu. Royal, engineered for excellence. Introducing the Royal RHEF Series 45 and 75 high-efficiency fryers. The award-winning RHEF Series fryer boasts some of the industry's highest energy efficiency and production capacities in the market today. The RHEF-45 is 63% efficient with zero recovery time and has a 71 pound per hour production capacity. The RHEF-75 has the highest energy efficiency available at 72% efficiency with zero recovery time. The RHEF-75 also has the highest production capacity at an amazing 129 pound per hour. The RHEF fryer comes standard with all stainless steel cabinets. The RHEF fryers use a specially designed high-grade stainless steel baffling system. The oil is heated using evenly spaced 33,000 BTU per hour in-shot burners to reduce thermal stress. The fryer tank comes with an industry-leading 10-year prorated warranty. With the industry's lowest flue temperature of 370 degrees, the Royal high-efficiency fryer is transferring the BTUs into the oil, not out the flue, maximizing your output and recovery. The RHEF is available with either an electromechanical thermostat, 2-product solid-state control with temperature readout, or an 8-product computer control. The RHEF 45 and 75 are also available with built-in fryer filter systems. For information on the fryer filter systems, please see the video on our website. The Royal RHEF Series high-efficiency fryers, engineered for excellence. For further information regarding the RHEF Series high-efficiency fryers, please contact Royal Customer Service at 951-360-1600 or email us at customerservice@royalranges.com.